Product management is vital for product success, involving the definition and management of products throughout their life cycle. Understanding its advantages and challenges is crucial for aspiring product managers. We'll explore these aspects to provide a comprehensive view of this dynamic role. Understanding customer needs is crucial in product management. It identifies successful products by aligning them with market demands. As product managers, we play a pivotal role in this process, ensuring products meet customer expectations and drive success. Product managers oversee all product aspects, collaborating with departments like engineering, design, and business development. This cross-functional teamwork enhances product success by ensuring alignment and understanding across teams. Effective collaboration is crucial for meeting customer needs and optimizing resources, ultimately driving product success and organizational growth. Optimizing resource allocation is vital for efficient product development. It shortens the product lifecycle and manages costs effectively. As product managers, we prioritize opportunities to enhance resource use, ensuring that every asset is utilized optimally. This strategic approach not only controls expenses but also accelerates development, setting the stage for improved sales strategies. Product managers enhance sales strategies by leveraging customer data, leading to improved sales outcomes. They manage teams throughout the product lifecycle, ensuring alignment with market demands. This role requires balancing high responsibilities, which can be stressful as managers are accountable for product success or failure. High responsibilities in product management can lead to significant stress. As product managers, we're accountable for the success or failure of our products. This pressure is a major challenge, demanding resilience and effective stress management to ensure we meet expectations and drive product success. Limited resources in product management can significantly impact outcomes. Constraints in time, money, and manpower require strategic optimization to meet demands. Effective resource allocation is crucial to minimize development cycles and control costs, ensuring product success despite these limitations. Market dynamics are unpredictable, impacting product success. Economic shifts and external factors are beyond our control. As product managers, we must adapt swiftly to these changes, ensuring our strategies remain relevant and effective. This adaptability is crucial in maintaining product viability amidst ever-changing market conditions. Balancing conflicting priorities is a core challenge in product management. Different departments often have competing demands, requiring product managers to mediate and find equilibrium. This involves understanding each department's needs and aligning them with the product's goals, ensuring a cohesive strategy that satisfies all stakeholders while maintaining product integrity. Product management offers immense growth and innovation opportunities. It requires continuous learning and collaboration across teams. Despite challenges like resource constraints and high expectations, the role is rewarding. It allows for direct influence on product success and user satisfaction, making it a fulfilling career choice for those passionate about creating impactful solutions. Product management is a dynamic role with both pros and cons. Success depends on market knowledge and decision-making. It requires navigating complex cross-functional collaborations. Balancing these elements is key to thriving in this challenging yet rewarding field.